volcano. Volcano.
Dormant for 12,000 years.
Volcano.
Everybody's greatest fears.
Volcano.
Opened up, releasing hell.
Volcano.
Worst of all, the deathly smell. The underworld will explode. Release a presidential load.
Lean in, let it out. See what the diaper's all about. We all know and you don't have to admit. Lean in, let it out. See what that diaper's all about. The butthole on your face ain't the only one that's spewing shit.
You don't have to worry about minimum wage when your diaper girl is underage. People used to make fun of your hair. Now they talk about your soiled chair. Your fast food guts will explode. Release a presidential load.
Lean in, let it out. See what that diaper's all about. We all know and you don't have to admit. Lean in, let it out. See what that diaper's all about. The butthole on your face ain't the only one that's spewing shit.
Plenty of people's grandparents suffer with incontinence, but everybody knew better than to make them presidents. You wanna leave your legacy like Pharaoh's pyramids, but the thing you're mostly known for is assaulting all those kids.
Lean in, let it out. See what that diaper's all about. We all know when you don't have to admit. Lean in, let it out. See what that diaper's all about. The butthole on your face ain't the only one that's spewing shit. Volcano.
This is the Dingo Weekly.